Qinling Mountains are the northernmost region where Sichuan snub-nosed monkeys are found. The rich vegetation of the mountains serves as ample food for these primates. The elevations and altitudes, however, pose various challenges to their survival. Winter is here. This troop of snub-nosed monkeys must get ready. Huddling together is an effective way to keep warm in the depth of winter. It is common practice. Some sprawl on the ground, while others perch on the branches. Family members are used to staying close. Some hyperactive monkeys chase and frolic in the woods. The young ones jump between the branches and hone their climbing skills. It's about noon. The hungry monkeys grab a sturdy branch to gnaw at the barks. The babies imitate the trick, only to nibble at slender twigs. Lunch is served. The green pine needles blanketed with snow are a must-have for the monkeys. Barks and foliage meet their basic needs. While the wild fruits are bonuses. Their thirst is quenched with snow on the leaves. Some impatiently lap up whatever moisture is on the soil. Having filled their bellies, the monkeys begin to groom each other. This is a way to socialize. It is also fun to groom oneself. The little ones refuse to leave mom's side. The troop hangs about waiting for the end of cold days. The snub-nosed monkeys have lived in the mountains for millions of years. After all those winters and summers, they are bound to pass on their legends in the vast forests.